Okay, children, you're doing very well. We are coming to the last question of your work. Question 3. Let's begin. Mr. Tay had 265 meters of wire. He cut the wire into 4 equal pieces with 25 meters left over. What was the length of each equal piece of wire? Alright, so let's highlight the keywords to help us understand first. We know that this wire is 265 meters. Then what happened to the wire? Mr. Tay went to cut it into 4 equal pieces. And then there are still some wires left. How long is that? It's actually 25 meters. So what do we need to find out? We need to find out what was the length of each equal piece of wire. Okay, so maybe this may sound a little confusing for some of you, so we are going to draw it out to help us understand. Okay, so let's imagine this is the wire. So I'm going to draw a bar to represent the wire. Okay, and this wire is how long? 265. So we're going to label them so we can see better. So this is 265 meters of wire. Then he cut it into 4 equal pieces. So I'm going to use a different color to show that he cut it into 4 different pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he has this 25 meters left. Okay, so the question is asking, what was the length of each piece of wire? So where do we start off? Now, if you can see, they are all equal sizes for the 4 pieces. So step number 1, we need to find this out. We need to find the length of the 4 pieces only up till here. Right? So first we need to, step 1, we need to find this length of the 4 equal pieces. So how do we find the length of these 4 equal pieces? If you can see, what we can do is, we can take the total length. Yes, take away this part, right? We need to remove this part first to find this. Therefore, step number 1 is 265 meters minus away 25 meters. Okay, so again, all workings neatly at the side. And if you are to draw this into your paper, make sure you use a ruler and draw them neatly. If you need a color pencil to indicate, okay, go ahead and do so as long as you are neat and tidy. Alright, so 265 minus away 25. So let's do the algorithm. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. So it's 240. And this is actually the length. So now we found out this length already. It's 240 meters. So now this 240 meters has been cut into 4 equal pieces. So I'm going to put a side note here. We know the total is 240 meters. We know the group. How many groups are there? There are 4 groups. Now we need to find each E. So do you remember how can we find each? We divide, right? Okay, so what divided by what? Total 240 divided by the number of groups, which is 4. So you can use the algorithm to help you, or you can use mental calculation to help you find out the answer. Once you have found out the answer, you can key into the blank below and then remember to copy your statement after you have checked. So good job, children. We have come to the end of your workbook practices.